Hello everyone, welcome to the Kanchan's Kitchen. Today's recipe is one of the famous Sindhi dish which is none other than Sindhi Besan Kadhi. If you like today's recipe, then please do hit the like button, comment and share it with everyone. And if you're new to my channel, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every time we upload a new recipe. Here are the ingredients required to make Sindhi Besan ki Kadhi, which includes gram flour, oil, few vegetables and some spices. To make it, let's turn on the flame, add 1/4 cup of oil to the heavy bottom pan and on the other side keep 1 liter of water to boil. Once oil is hot enough, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Make sure you don't use more than this or the curry would taste sour. Half teaspoon of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds. Let's lower the flame at this point and add 1 chopped green chili and some curry leaves. Mix it well. Add half cup of sieved gram flour. Mix and roast it for some time on low to medium flame. I need to add more 1 serving spoon of oil and about 1 tablespoon of gram flour. This process takes about 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure to roast it on medium flame. Roast it till you achieve a color like this. When you get this desired color, add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. At this point, take the boiled water and pour it slowly into this. Make sure you pour a little first, then slowly add the rest. Otherwise, it will overflow as the water is hot. Adding hot boiling water this way would quicken the process and would avoid the formation of lumps of gram flour. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt or as per your taste. When it comes to a boil, add the vegetables that take time to cook. So let's add 1 chopped potato, some cluster beans and some drumsticks first. Give it a stir and cover the half lid like this. This will fasten the process and cook the vegetables faster. Till then, let's fry the okras. Before frying the okras, make sure you cut and remove this and give it a slit to check if it's good to use. Now they are ready to fry. Let's take the frying pan, heat it and add some oil. In the curry, we will need some more water. So let's boil more half a liter of water on the other side on low flame. Now the oil is hot, so slowly put the okras in it and fry it a little. It's perfect as we want. So let's remove it in a plate. After 10 minutes, the potatoes are half cooked. At this point, add chopped brinjal, which I had washed and soaked in water for some time. Add 1 chopped carrot. Stir and boil it on high flame. You can put vegetables as per your choice and even increase or decrease the quantity. Cover it this way and cook it on low to medium flame for more 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's check the vegetables with the help of knife. All the vegetables have cooked nicely. At this point, add this half liter of water that we had kept aside to boil. Boil it a little on high flame. Then on medium flame, add this fried okras and these sliced tomatoes, some coriander leaves, some washed Garcinia indica. You could even add tamarind pulp instead of Garcinia indica, kokum. Let's cover and cook it on low flame for more 5 minutes so that kokum releases its flavor and also okras and tomatoes get cooked. After around 5 to 8 minutes, let's check. It has released oil on sides. Its consistency should be like this. It's almost ready, so let's turn off the flame. It gets thicker, so we will serve it after 5 minutes. See, after 5 minutes, it has released more oil and the curry has become thicker. It has achieved its perfect consistency. Let's serve it in a bowl. And garnish it with coriander leaves. Here's the Sindhi Kadhi is ready. Serve it with fried potatoes and plain rice. It serves a great combination with curry. If you wish to know the recipe of Sindhi fried potatoes, that is aloo tuk, do comment and let me know. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Hope you liked today's recipe. If yes, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you are new for more such recipes. Thank you for watching till the end. Meet you in the next video with another exciting recipe.